Hello, this is Sonia from Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Just here to help you set up for this week's memory verse. This is our last verse in series of looking at God's Word. And today we are going to do Psalm 119, verse 10 to 11. I think the first week we did Psalm 119, verse 104 to 105. So this one is also a very good one. With my whole heart I seek you. Let me not wander from your commandments. I have stored up your word in my heart that I might not sin against you. So this is the verse we're going to concentrate on for the next week. So you're going to put it behind the daily. Your old daily verse you can put behind even. So you can memorize that in the even days of the week. Your old even verse, you're going to put into the odd section. You're going to memorize that in the odd sections of the week. And your old odd verse, you can move into the weekly section. I think we did Monday last week, so we're going to do Tuesday, but you can choose any day of the week. So your old Tuesday verse, or whatever day you choose, you're going to move into your monthly section. So you choose anywhere, or you can start at 1 up to 31. I'm going to choose anywhere because I've got verses all over the place. So let's put it behind the 13. So on the 13, I'll revise all these verses that's behind the 13 and also zone in on my daily verse and just revising my odd or my even verse or the day of the week. Tomorrow I'm going to take my book and I'm going to get to the right place. Last week I have practiced last week's verse. This is my meditation sheet I've done a few years ago. Love going over it. I've done a short little reel about the difference between the dividing between the soul and marrow and the joints, and soul and spirit, marrow and joints. So if you want to go and check that out on my grid, you're welcome to do that. Now I've practiced already about 3 years ago this verse, so I might cover a sheet over here and re-practice it. I will see. I know these verses, this is quite verses I know well, but you can never not know it good enough. So I hope it's a blessed week to you, and that you might hide God's word in your heart, that you might not sin against him. God bless.